tornado in, what, 100 years?
Here.
Oh yeah, that's one right there. It does.
Saying, get your butt inside now.
Who's saying that?
No, but look at this. You can see the swirl.
Yeah.
Look at this kid walking out there.
I'm taking a picture of everybody taking a picture.
Yeah, that one's cool.
That one's gonna come down.
That one's nasty.
Yeah, look at that shit.
Golly, look at how it's got that like reddish.
It's like Independence Day.
It does look like Independence Day out here.
Oh, the one thing. Yeah, I don't like that at all.
There's the rotations.
When you're done, I need your help on that. Right?
What you need?
I need to find out when some people
Get your big head out of the way, Jeff.
All right.
I am. Or if they re-enlisted,
Yeah, what is that doing?
because that null and voids their previous NJPs.
Yeah, man.
Pretty cool, dude.
This is cool, man.
Crazy storm up here. I have my camera. I'm gonna send pictures of my parents.
Tornado gonna come. We're all sitting out here taking pictures.
Yeah, no kidding.
Be like Twister.
That's pretty green over there.
It's amazing how that one's just kind of staying right here.
It's waiting to get us.
Oh, I do have video.
Look how low that one is.
One area over there too.
That one's like right at the.
This one's really.
That's really low right there.
That's real low.
No, I was sitting at my desk, just like, oh, it's kind of. I pulled up to open the blinds.
That's
I'm like,
really
holy
dropping.
crap. Look at this.
It's still going down.
I hate to be in a
There's
boat
lightning.
out.
Where are you guys walking to?
Oh, that's great.
All right.
That should have been done 2 hours ago.
They need to be tired.
Get your ass inside, shipmate.
The chief will be on court martial.
Hey, we got really bad lightning here in that Florida.
It's coming now.
It should have been done 2 hours ago. Get up here on the porch. Yeah, Thunder 1, you don't need to be out.
A little bit too late.
Yeah, that's ORM.
Out walking.
Oh, it's nasty over there too.
Strolling in the rain.
It's not tied down yet.
Too bad.
The lightning's coming, so just let them know.
Jay, what are you doing, man? Get outside!
He's like, hi. I don't know what's going on.
No, Gary weighs a lot, but let's pick him up.
You're evil, dude. You're evil. Oh, you're gonna take pictures of this?
Where's your club?
Public relations guy.
You gotta take a picture.
He's taking pictures of the
Gary,
storm
you
over the
crazy.
top of 501.